Hi guys, I'm Luno, and today we'll be talking about Lofree's banana keycaps. Alright, let's kick things off with the build quality. First impressions matter, and I've gotta say, Lofree has nailed it in this department. The PBT material not only feels sturdy, but also has a pleasant textured surface. The 5-sided dye sublimation process they've used here really shines, with legends that are both clear and durable. Next up, let's talk about the key layout. The keycaps in this set were clearly designed with a more compact keyboard in mind. The right side keys like Control, Windows, FN, and Shift are smaller than the standard size. Now this might be perfect for those using compact keyboards, but since I have a standard size keyboard, it's not a perfect fit. While these layout choices might not be a deal breaker for everyone, I found them to be less than ideal for my specific setup and usage preferences. One of the features that stands out with Lofree is their co-creation plan. Collaborating with graphic designers and users to release a variety of PBT keycap sets is a great idea. It's all about personalization, making sure every keyboard stands out and reflects the user's unique style. This plan truly shows Lofree's commitment to diversity and providing options that cater to various tastes. Now onto my personal experience with these keycaps. While the design and overall quality are top notch, there are a few aspects that stood out to me. The first one, the spacebar. Don't get me wrong, it's beautifully designed. But during intense gaming sessions, I noticed that it hindered my ability to press some of the keys in the second row from the bottom of the keycap set. That being said, if you're primarily using your keyboard for typing or less intense tasks, this might not be as much of an issue for you. But for me, it was a bit of a drawback, especially when I needed to execute precise movements quickly. So wrapping it all up, the Lofree Banana Keycaps offers a well-crafted design, excellent build quality, and a focus on personalization through their co-creation plan. However, my experiences were slightly dampened by the spacebar interfering with adjacent keys and smaller layout choices on the right side, which didn't align perfectly with my standard sized keyboard. So in the end, if you're in the market for a unique and stylish keycap set, these layout aspects aren't major concerns for you. As always, remember that your usage and preferences will ultimately determine if this keycap set is the right match for you. That's a wrap for today's review of Lofree's Banana Keycaps. If you enjoyed this video and found my experience helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more keyboard related content. Until next time, and happy typing and gaming.